Let's go to the only country in the world that starts with letter O. Yes, it's Oman. It's a day full of fun and water adventures. Gagala na naman si Tita Lerps mga umangkon. 7 o'clock in the morning, our transportation came to pick us. It's around 2 hours journey from our place in Dubai to Musandam. Since it's a long drive, so let's enjoy the view for a moment. Magmuni-muni sa ta. So we are in Sharjah at the moment. Sharjah is one of the beautiful Emirates of UAE. Before we reach Musandam, muagi patagpila ka Emirates. And of course, did you na mawala atong tabi. We are going for our company yearly picnic or adventure. Before we experienced being at the top of Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world, we went for safari. We went for Dao Cruise also. And lots of adventures. We went for beaches. So, dila na ako usa-usahon. Actually, this will be our second time in Musandam because we went last 2020 before the lockdown. But because it's so fun, so we ganahan kay may magbalik-balik dito. Welcome to UAE. Ingon ani mong makitan sa dan from green to sand, sand to mountain. By this time, we are in Fujairah already. It's another part of UAE. So from Fujairah, boundary siya padung sa Musandam, Oman. So arita sa Diba, Fujairah. Para sa atong tagna-tagna karong hapon na palihog kog comment sa ubos how many kilometers ang among gibiyahe from home to Musandam. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. So much talking na si Tita Lerps. I will let you enjoy the view as we are going to enter the Diba Fujairah. Fujairah also is another emirate of UAE. So this is where the boundary going to Musandam, Oman. We reached the border, so we have to prepare our passport and ID. But we are not allowed to take photos anymore. So see you after the border. We crossed the border and this is what welcomes you. A very beautiful turquoise water. Kalami naman lang yun isawm. Wala ta sa Consuelo Port ha. Naghihapon ta sa Musandam. Akong kauban, oo, tidi ka. Yung murag padung Korea.
Hoy, Tita Lerps.
So, since 2020 was the last time we came here. Manakay na mi sa pump boat, dili na siya Santo Niño, dili po na siya Ave Maria. Bitaw from here, manakay pa mi og speedboat, then padung mi sa barkong among sakyan.
Come here, sit.
Aw, syempre, dili dyan na mawala ang ganda-gandahan. So, mauna na ang amo ang sakyan. So, ayan. Lilipat tayo doon sa Japan 3rd floor. Please follow for next part.